Come join me on my latest adventure. I did not expect this adventure, or it was 5 years in the future on my business plan, but when does life go to plan? So in December 30th, 2021, I ended up losing my townhome that I was living in the Marshall Fire. And I've gained so much knowledge since then. And I think, you know, as cliche as it is, knowledge is power. I've learned how to find, well, land, debris removal, demolish a house, clean up the land, soil testing, all of these things because I was forced to. And I paid a price that, quite honestly, I would not suggest doing. And I hope I never ever have to pay that again. However, silver lining, I gained so much knowledge that I thought would take me years, a half a decade to get, I was able to acquire in 6 months. So I'm now gonna take all of that knowledge that I'm currently learning in Boulder County, and whoo, my Lord, if you can make it work in Boulder County, you can make it work everywhere. So I'm gonna actually shoot down to Denver, and thank you, Denver, and everyone around for allowing my entire family to come down there, including my dog. So right now I'm looking for land. So I wanna I'm gonna video all of it, and I would love for you to join me while I figure it all out.